All right, first time on Pantheon. You've been on this before, right? All right, here we go, everyone. I've been on Velocicoaster at Universal, so I mean, I want to see how it compares to this.
Gods as you conquer Pantheon.
So how many parks have you been to?
I have no idea. I lost track. I just like traveling. That's it.
Oh yeah.
Oh my god! Woo! Oh, it's shaking in a good way. Just don't. Oh my god! What was that? Oh my goodness! That was insane! Oh! Oh! Whoa! This right there! Whoa! Jesus Christ! Jesus Christ! That launch backwards is something else. I mean, of all the backwards launches I've been on, that's the best one.
Yeah.
That's the best one! You know, it's gonna be a problem when I have to keyframe this though.
Yeah.
Welcome back.
Gotta go around and
Once
gotta
the
get
ride
back
comes
row.
to a complete stop,
I'll go in, I'll join you.
please lift up upper safety